If NAD is essential for energy and cellular repair, like we talked about in part 1, then why does it decline with age? So think about NAD like a cellular budget. With aging, stress, inflammation, you spend more NAD, and rebuilding it doesn't always keep up with demand, so you end up in a deficit. The biggest drivers of that, number one, inflammation. So our immune cells express an enzyme called CD38, and CD38 breaks down NAD. So higher inflammation as we age means higher CD38 activity, and then that depletes NAD even faster. Number two is DNA repair demand. So as we age, cells accumulate more stress, more DNA damage, and then that activates enzymes like PARP. PARP is super, super important, but it consumes NAD during repairing DNA. So more repair demand as we age means more NAD is required. And third is sirtuins. Sirtuins are NAD-dependent enzymes. They're involved in metabolic regulation and also stress resilience. So when NAD drops, sirtuin activity can also drop, and sirtuins are linked to longevity in multiple species. So the question then becomes, how do we restore NAD? So two strategies. One is to lower the burn rate. That would be supporting inflammation, metabolic health, sleep, stress, those lifestyle factors. Two is support rebuilding, and that's where our NAD supplementation comes in. So either from precursors like NR, NMN, or NAD injections. Now, I know I said in the past that I didn't think NAD could get into the cell, and I think I was wrong. So there is actually a path, a route that it can get in. It can either go direct through that route, or through, it can be broken down into precursors, and then those precursors can enter the cell and can be rebuilt into NAD. So NAD decline isn't random, and supporting it can be a very smart move, especially in midlife. Personally, I use it 3 times a week. I love it. I never stopped using it. I know I said I was going to, and I never did. So that's kind of what got me into digging more into these details and figuring it out, because I do feel like I feel a difference, and I wanted to know what the mechanisms were. So of course, lifestyle comes first. We do have to support the inflammation pathways and doing all the right things, but I do love supplementing with it as well. So hopefully that helps.